Alright, about to do a cold start on the Scatty. Let me get this right, get my gloves on. Ridiculous out here. Whew. First cold start. You see that? Low key 69. Make sure I get the button right. It's a beast right there. That's a beast. Yeah. Scatty. Yeah. I want y'all to see this. This is different. Everybody else is. Yeah. Get that starting to run a little bit. I don't even want to use the brush on it. I don't want nothing on that. Look at that. Look at that. See if I can focus in. Come on. Oh. Nah, I can't get no light. Let's see. It's so dark in here, huh? I have to get y'all a better picture though. Yeah. There we go. I don't know why this is not there you go. Is that better? See that, but see the Scatty logo. You know what I mean? Let's see it. I'm gonna get back to y'all.